Hey guys, welcome back to another video here, Axe Bensick, and today we are going to do I'm excited for this one because it's gonna be fun. Shooting all of my family members randomly with my nerf gun. It's a shotgun, so it'll sting hopefully a little more. Now, where's that pistol? There it is. This was my brother's, but then he modded it to where it has a stronger spring. So, he'll be regretting that one. This one, it's like one of those weirder kind of pistols. Well, no, it's really not. You just put the bullet down in there. I was just checking to see if there's a bullet in there. Are you ready to fire? So it's gonna kind of be like a little. Don't take it much. I don't know. It's gonna be kind of like a little mini. Oh, sorry, the camera wasn't aiming at me. It's gonna be kind of like a little mini Fortnite stakeout thing. I think in my next video I'm gonna do a Fortnite, like a real life Fortnite with Nerf guns or maybe even airsoft guns. Comment down below. And whichever one they say, you have to do.
Hi, I am Gabe. I'm his brother.
You sound like an idiot. Oh my gosh, are you seriously gonna sit there and try and do that?
I was trying to sit on it.
Who wants to see you guys? Who wants to see me try and do Orange Justice?
No one.
Hold the phone.
No, everyone, do not watch him do it. It's very disturbing.
I can do the
Just for the subscribers.
Stop. That's the wiggle.
Guys.
Alright guys, we're just waiting for people to come. I feel so lonely. I don't really care.
Stop crying. Before I put pop in your head.
Alright Gabe, I think there's a family member up. Get ready. Oh wait guys, there is a family member up. What you gonna do? You gonna shoot the camera?
I'll shoot the camera.
Go ahead, shoot the camera. Watch what happens. I'll make you pay for a new one. Looks like nothing's gonna be coming out of that thing.
I'm too close of range to later.
Alright guys, we're back and I'm going to show you how to work this gun, which most of you probably do if you play with Nerf. So what you do is you probably all have this. It's a zombie strike shotgun. You can get it at Walmart. You can get most Nerf guns at Walmart. Did you know they have Fortnite Nerf guns now? So you just press that back button, then you push down on this piece, and then it comes up. Then you pull out this. And then it's probably obvious because you've probably seen those little things. So what you do is you just stick that dart down in there. Then this one. And this one's kind of cracked, but the cracked ones, the ripped ones still work in there. Just make sure that if they have a little like hole chipped out of them, make sure it's a little hole, not like a huge hole, because then it won't shoot and then you'll get killed while you're in the middle of a real life Fortnite match. I'm bored. Let's go sneak up on my brother. Alright, Gabe, we're ready for this, buddy. Oh, I killed him. Alright, guys, I gotta hit him. Huh? Build! Come on, Fortnite, build! I built my wall. I built this house. Now you're in here trying to invade it. fortified sword. I know that this isn't in the game, but let's kill him with the sword. Haha. Time to throw it. 3, 2. Heavy shotgun. There he is. There he is.
Don't forget, we all have to go.
Gabe. Gabe. Come and get me. No, you don't.
You're in the bathroom. Oh, jeez.